Children, welcome back to Max Made Easy. Let's continue with Pythagoras Theorem, exercise 18, part 7. Here is the seventh question. In a triangle PQR, angle Q is equal to 90 degree. Find PR if PQ is equal to 8 centimeter and QR is equal to 6 centimeter. Firstly, let's draw a diagram. This is a right angle triangle. Since they have said it is 90 degree at angle Q, it is 90 degree. We all know that surely it will be a right angle triangle. So just consider a right angle triangle, and since angle Q is 90 degree, we all know that for a right angle triangle this part will be 90 degree, right? So here this vertex will be Q. This vertex should be marked as Q, and remaining other two vertex you can point it as P and R. And here they have given PQ is equal to 8 centimeter. PQ. So just write down as a given data, and even in the diagram you can mention it as PQ is equal to 8 centimeter and QR is equal to 6 centimeter. That is Q to R will be 6 centimeter. Right now I have wrote down all the given data in diagram as well as a statement, and here we need to find PR, that is hypothesis. We all know that according to the Pythagoras theorem, square of the hypothesis is equal to the square of the sum of sides, right? So PR square is equal to PQ square plus QR square. Just substitute these values in this formula, that is PR. Where is PR? PR we don't know. We have to find it out. So just write down as it is, and PQ is 8 centimeter and QR is 6 centimeter. Just write down those values in this formula, and now just 8 square is nothing but 8 into 8. So PR square is equal to 8 8 is 64 plus 6 6 is 36. Now you can add this both. You will get 100. So PR square is equal to 100. Here they have asked for the value of PR, but here it is PR square. So we have to remove the square. For removing the square, you can just place a square root of 100. That is PR is equal to square root of 100. Since I have already said you, when there is a square root for square root having a more zeros, it will be very easy. That means for finding the square root of 100, as I said you before itself, keep the zeros aside for a while and just consider 1. Square root of 1 is 1 ones are 1, right? Always check with 1 ones are 1, 2 twos are 4, 3 threes are 9, 4 fours are 16. In that case, 1 for 1 it is 1 ones are 1, right? So just write down only 1 from this. So 1, and here you can find 2 zeros. 2 zeros. So instead of 2, just make it into half, that is it will be 1. Just put 1 0 over here. So 10 will be the square root of 100. I hope you understood this. Second one, find PQ if PR is equal to 34 centimeter and QR is equal to 30 centimeter. This is the same diagram. I'm just here they have given PR is equal to 34 centimeter, that is PR is equal to 34 centimeter, and QR is equal to 30 centimeter, and we need to find out PQ, right? It is similar to the previous one, but here they are asking us to find one side, and they have given the hypothesis. So since it is 90 degree, you can just write down the according to the Pythagoras theorem PR square. PR square is equal to PQ square plus QR square. Now just substitute these values in this formula. PR is 34. So 34 square is equal to PQ square. PQ is, we need to find it out, right? So PQ square plus QR square. QR square is 30. So 30 square. Now, what is 34 square means? It is nothing but 34 into 34. It will be 1156 is equal to PQ square plus 30 into 30 is 900. Since we need to find this PQ square, just get this 900 on the either side of the equal to. Since it is coming to the either side, here it is having a plus sign, so it becomes minus. 1156 minus 900 is equal to PQ square. One is having positive sign, other is having negative sign. Just put the bigger number sign and subtract it. 256 is equal to PQ square. Since it is having PQ square, but we need to find PQ. So just remove this square and place a square root of 256 is equal to PQ. Now the square root of 256 is 16 into 16. 16 16 is 256. Now, how to find the square root of 256? It is really very easy. Here, we are going to learn how to do a square root for 256 using a long division method, right? Just place the two lines and just write down 256 and check for the first number. It is 2, right? So, just start checking it with 1 ones are. The same numbers should be multiplied. 1 ones is 1 and 2 twos will be 4. It is greater than this first number. 2 twos will be 4, and if you take this, consider this number, then you can write down 4 over here, but from this 2 you cannot subtract 4, right? So that's the reason we cannot take this 2 twos are. So you can consider 1 ones are, because 1 ones are 1 and it is the smaller than this 2. Whichever number you take, it should be smaller or equal to this number. So 1 ones are 1. Just write down 1 over here, and since you are writing 2 ones, just write a one more 1 over here on the top. On the top. And 1 plus 1 will be 2, and 2 should be written on the extreme left side, right? And 2 should be subtracted with 1. When you subtract 2 from 1, it will be 1, and you need to write down this 556 down. Just get this 56 down. It will be 156, and you are getting these two numbers because if you get one number, it will be 15, right? And for the next multiplication, you have to place 1 and 1 over here. So when you multiply 21 ones will be 21. So from 15 you cannot subtract 21, right? So that's the reason we are getting two numbers over here. Now you can just place 2 and you can place 2 twos are. Always check with the same double numbers. But it will be 4. 2 twos will be 4. But what we need to get is 6, right? The last number is 6, but you are getting 4. So there is no possibility of getting the answer. So just consider 4 fours are, because 4 fours is 16. There is chances of getting it, right? 4 fours is 16, that is 1, 6, 4 twos are 8 plus 1, 9. So 96. No, we are not getting 156. So let's move on further. And 5 fives will be 25. So you can't expect that. So you can consider 6 6 are 36. Yes, there is chances of getting it. Let's check it out. 6 6 are 36. 6 2s are 12. 12 plus 3 will be 15. Yes, we got it. Just have a look. We are getting 156. So you can just take 6 6 and you can place 1 6 on the top. 6 6 26 6 is 156, and when you subtract this both you will get 0. So with this process you can just stop it. Since you are taking 6 6 just write 1 6 on the top, and our answer is 16. And our answer is 16. This is how you can do a square root of any number using a long division method. I hope you understood this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment and hit the bell button. Check the description box for Pythagoras theorem. Thank you.